Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how to use swipe button on your realme narzo N55. So friends, before we starting this video, please like my video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so the first thing is that you have to move on your mobile phone setting. So here is your mobile phone setting. So here you have to click on your mobile phone setting. When you move on your mobile phone setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, okay, to additional setting. Here you can see additional settings. So friends, here you have to click on additional setting. When you move on the additional setting, inside the additional setting you can see this screen, and from here the first option you can see is this system navigation. So friends, here you have to click on this system navigation. When you move on the system navigation, if you want to use the gesture, I mean the slide or swipe, okay, you can see the second option is the swipe or the slide button. Okay, just click on the second option and click on don't remind me again. Okay, if you don't, okay, after that here click on cancel. Then from here you can see friends, there is no button right now. You can swipe it like this. Okay, see, you can just swipe it like this and you can swipe it like this. So here we have finished to set up the swipe button. Okay, you can set your slide button easily like this. If you want to set navigation gesture, okay, and if you want to set up again the button, then you just move again to additional setting. Here is the additional setting, and move on again to system navigation. Just select the button and here the button will set up. Okay, so which one you prefer, you can set up from here. Okay friends, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.